Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to be explaining how you can utilize stakeholder functionality as part of Dynamics 365. So we can see we've got Aaron, a standard lead record here, some contact information on Aaron, company information as to where he came from, our timeline, keeping track of all of the communications that we've had with Aaron back and forth, the appointments, the emails, the tasks, the phone calls. And over on the right-hand side here, we've got our stakeholders. Now, I've got 4 example stakeholders here. And as you can see, very importantly, you can attach different roles to each individual stakeholder. So Andy is a standard stakeholder. He has some common interest in this potential project. Kurt is an influencer, so influencing the decision that Aaron's going to be making. Joe Bloggs is the core decision maker, and Susan is Aaron's champion. Now, I mentioned these stakeholders being connections to leads. So if we click on these individual stakeholders, Joe Bloggs as an example, being the decision maker, we have our own connection record as relevant to Joe Bloggs as a stakeholder for Aaron, the lead. Now, as you can see, we've got Joe Bloggs. That's an individual contact record that we can open up if we wanted to. And as his role, he's the decision maker. You can see there are a number of different types of roles that we can associate as part of the stakeholder functionality. So stakeholder, influencer, technical buyer, as I had mentioned. And of course, a description if we want to add some more details as to the role that Joe, in this case, is going to be having as part of the project. I mentioned that these connections are, of course, connecting a contact record to the lead record. So if we wanted to, as I said, pop open Joe's contact record, that will have all of his information in more detail. So who Joe is, what conversations we've had with Joe, and where Joe's from. That's a very quick overview of how the stakeholder functionality works within Dynamics 365. As you can see, the stakeholders are very clear within the record. And of course, you can add as many as you like and store the stakeholder information wherever you'd like on the lead form. If you have any questions at all with regard to stakeholder functionality or Dynamics 365 in general, please do let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you out.